hydro testing takes pressure. And so part of your test plug toolbox needs to be the ability to quickly fill to bring your hydro test up to high pressure. And so what we've built here is a skid that has a high flow filling pump system and a manifold that allows you to quickly switch over to a high pressure pump system, all of which is self-contained so that you can do up to 5,000 pound hydro tests in both filling and in building pressure up very, very quickly. As you can see, what we've done here for simple applications is we've just temporarily mounted it on a trailer, and it has a 4-cube storage tank for your test medium that is all plumbed into the pumping skid, and it all has secondary containment, and you can simply hitch it onto your truck and pull it into location with the testing medium, whether that's water or glycol, and be able to fill the system and then be able to bring it up to pressure significantly quicker than with a lot of handheld tools that you might be trying to piece together to do this hydro test. We have about a dozen of these in our rental fleet, and they're available for our clients to rent as they have system hydro tests scheduled in their projects.